second year agri students. So currently we are doing some pallet maintenance. So we've got the springtime harrow on the Luxem, Farmer 115. We've got the old Luxem down there ready on the rollers, and then we've got the new Vestrum 130 CVX tractor on the swardlifter. So we're sward lifting at the minute just to sort of bring up some compaction in this field, and also to sort of aerate it a little bit. And you know, with the harrow, we're obviously pulling out any old thatch, any old weeds, things like that in the grassland. So just wanted a little bit of an update, really. So you know, here we are, sort of in March, the sun's shining, and sort of show off the new sort of tractors really busy in work. So pleased, you know, this is the second day we're using the Vestrum. Really pleased with it. Lovely little nimble little tractor, 4-cylinder, 130 horse, CVX transmission as well. So you know, really pleased with it, and the student feedback is good as well. Obviously it takes a little bit of getting used to with the CVX transmissions, as it's sort of always the thing that you want to use the clutch pedal, but actually for driver point of view it's really good. So yeah, there's the Vestrum in work, and the other tractors there. But good, I hope everyone's well. Little update really, and we'll take care.